Thank you. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. You spoke from the heart. I appreciate you so much for having us. And in conclusion, I will make also one remark on the issue of constituency projects that has always been on the media.
Don't let us go into that. You know I know more than I do.
Yeah.
Just let us be true.
The 200 issue. That was it was the 200 issue. Yeah, nobody gave anybody 200. That was I wanted to come. Yes, that's the only thing.
Well, that's all right. You can say anything. I heard it from the horse's mouth. All right. You can deny it. Yeah, that's all right. But I had it from those who got it and who told me they got it. So if you didn't get it, then maybe your case is different. Let us
project.
Now, not everything that you get, you can publicly.
No, but you don't
tell me what I know. Those of you, those of your members who got it told me they got it.
It was project. You know what?
Senators and members.
It was project they meant for the constituency.
Project.
You know what? Then cash.
Show me. You will show me the